In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll feel confident starting a project, building out your scenes with visuals and text, layering in audio and polishing timing, transitions, and layout so everything looks intentional and professional. Start by opening Adobe Express. On the home screen, click Create, then select Video. This takes you into a clean, storyboard-style workspace designed for quick visual editing. If you're working in a browser, keep your media files handy on your desktop so you can drag them in easily. Give the project a clear name so you can find it later, and let's begin shaping the story. You'll be prompted to choose a template, or start from a blank canvas. Templates give you pre-built scene layouts and sample text, which is great if you want a head start or a certain style. If you already have a plan, a blank canvas offers full control. As you choose, think about where your video will live. Square and vertical formats tend to suit social feeds, while landscape works well for presentations or widescreen viewing. Pick a look that aligns with your message and audience, and then jump in. Next, add video clips, photos, and text to each scene. Think of scenes like slides. Each one focuses on a single idea. Drag in a clip or image, then use the on-screen handles to resize and position it. Keep important details away from the edges so nothing feels cramped. Layer in text to highlight titles, callouts, or captions. Keep text short, use high contrast for readability, and choose a consistent font style to maintain a cohesive feel. If a clip runs long, trim it to the essential moment so your pacing stays tight and engaging. Click Audio to add music or a voiceover. You can browse built-in tracks or upload your own. For narration, record directly in the editor or import an audio file. Balance is key. Lower the music volume so it supports your message without overpowering it. Short fades at the beginning and end create a smoother, more polished sound. Finally, adjust timing, transitions, and layout. Set each scene's duration so viewers have just enough time to absorb the content. Try gentle transitions to keep things flowing without distraction. Use layout options to organize elements, full screen for visuals that need impact, split layouts for comparisons, and caption styles for text-forward moments. Preview frequently. Watch for awkward gaps or abrupt cuts, and make small tweaks until it feels natural. And that's it. With these steps, you can build a clear, engaging video in Adobe Express that looks great and tells your story effectively.